Hey everyone, based on my subscriber request, this video is about an introduction to OneNote app. If you are someone who wish to use OneNote and doesn't know how you can use it, I'm happy to help you. So basically, this is a OneNote app which you can just come to the search and search for OneNote app, and you will be able to see the app from there. So here we have a section. So basically this is just people use this for various purposes, like a lot of people usually use this for keeping notes and for saving walkthrough related contents. So yeah, let us take a look on it. So basically we have the new section, right? So whenever you click new section, you will be able to create a new section, right? You can also name the section, and you can also see, you can also add pages into that section. For example, assume that section 1 is module 1, and we can also add so various topics, like this is like a intro, and you can just also increase the text size. This is just like a Microsoft Word where you can increase text size like this. You will be able to increase the text size up to 72, and you also be able to change the text of whichever you like, and all the things that is available in the Microsoft Word is also available here. All those kind of features, if you are familiar with Microsoft Word, then it might be easier for you to understand that. So anyways, so I'm just putting this as intro, and if you are someone who wants to add some photographs into it, so now what you're going to do is just open up the browser, search for the photo that you want to add, and here I have a lot of hack related photos. So this is the pixel size which I will get copyright contents, copyright free contents. So let me copy this one. So you just need to download it. So this is the best part, you just don't need to download it. You can just right click, copy the image, and you'll be able to add wherever you want in the OneNote app. And this is how you will add, just copy that from there and just paste it from here, and you just don't need to download it. So it's cool, right? So you can just title, you can just enter any name anywhere in the OneNote app. Basically you can just enter text here, enter text here, enter text here, anywhere, wherever you are clicking you can enter text there. It's so cool, right? It's cool. So basically I just add cool here, and I'm just changing this into a text and putting it into the 16 or the required size of the text, right? It's cool, right? So you can just copy and paste an image from here, right? So yeah, just copy, you just don't need to download it. You can just copy and paste wherever you want. You can just control V to paste the image. It's cool. So not only that, we also have the insert option here where you will be able to insert the tables based on the size that you want. So here we can add a 2 by 2 column, and you can see the 2 by 2 column is here, right? So you can add a table or anything based on your requirements, right? So you do have home, you do have insert for file attachment, file printout, spreadsheet, pictures, page templates, a link, and a lot more. So yeah, we can just add a big 4 into 4 table, and you can just name as whichever you want, right? So you can also increase the size. It's basically 4 into 4, right? So you do have some options here, right? You can just increase the size, like increasing the text size. You can see the size. Yeah, this is how you can increase. It's cool, right? So yeah, this is about it, guys. So you also have some options like in the view, you'll be able to see the normal view, dock to desktop, a lot more. So you can just try those kinds of things by yourself. And the section 2, you can also add a page which is called page 1, and you can also add page 2 if you want here, page 2, and you can also add page 3 and enter the contents that you want. It's so cool. Just an introduction about this app. This is about it, guys. I hope you learned a little about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any requests of me to create a video for you, then make sure to comment down below. I'm happy to create it for you, and see you in the next one.